In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an Eventbrite event. If you run recurring or similar events, this feature can save you a lot of time by reusing your existing setup instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. Start by heading to Eventbrite and signing into your account. Once you're in, open your event dashboard. Click your profile icon, select Manage My Events, and choose the event you want to duplicate. The copy option lives inside the event dashboard for that event, so make sure you've opened the specific event first. Look toward the top right corner of the dashboard. Click More, then select Copy Event. Eventbrite will prepare a new event using the previous event's details, which is especially helpful for keeping your structure, branding, and general settings consistent. Before you finalize the copy, update the event title, the summary, and, most importantly, the date and time so your attendees see the correct schedule. Clear naming helps here, especially if you run a series. When those updates look good, click Copy Event to generate the duplicate. Now it's time to review the new event carefully before publishing. Go through your tickets to confirm quantities, prices, and sales windows are right for the new date. Double-check your payout method to ensure funds route to the correct account, and verify your refund policy so expectations are clear. Open the registration form to confirm any questions or consent checkboxes still apply. Then scan your event details, including location or online link, time zone, and description to make sure nothing references the old date or venue. There are a few things that do not carry over automatically. Waitlist settings, attendee emails, tracking links, and online event pages won't be copied. Attendee information is never duplicated either. If you rely on any of these items, plan to recreate or relink them in the new event so your workflows stay intact. When everything looks right, publish the duplicate. Click Publish and choose whether to publish now or schedule publish for a future time. Scheduling can be helpful if you're coordinating announcements or waiting on final approvals. Once published, your copied event will go live and be ready for registrations. A quick important note, some older events may occasionally fail to copy due to system or template issues reported by users. If that happens, try copying a newer event instead. If needed, recreate one fresh event as your new template and use that as the base for future copies. This simple approach usually resolves those hiccups and keeps your event setup consistent.